Nolo LLC Formation App. The pros, the cons. Starting an LLC can feel intimidating, but the Nolo LLC Formation App makes it approachable for anyone. You won't believe how it guides you from choosing a business name to filing your formation documents with the state in just a few steps. The app walks users through every stage of forming an LLC, including selecting a state, drafting an operating agreement, and obtaining an IN. It also explains legal and tax implications clearly, helping entrepreneurs avoid common mistakes that can cost time and money. Templates and checklists ensure that every required step is completed accurately, even for first-time business owners. Another standout feature is affordability. Compared to hiring an attorney, the Nolo app offers a cost-effective alternative for standard LLC formation. It also provides ongoing resources and guides for compliance, annual filings, and business management, making it a handy reference beyond just setup. However, there are limitations. Complex business structures or multi-member LLCs with intricate agreements may still require professional legal advice. The app doesn't provide real-time attorney consultations, so guidance is limited to pre-written resources. State-specific regulations can occasionally require extra steps that the app may not fully address. In conclusion, the Nolo LLC Formation App is a practical, user-friendly tool for entrepreneurs looking to establish an LLC without breaking the bank. Its step-by-step guidance, templates, and educational resources make the process manageable and less intimidating. While complex business setups might need professional assistance, the app is an excellent starting point for straightforward LLC formations.